Hi there. Do you ever get tangled up with which pencil to pick up?
I reckon out of all of these ones, if you're going to choose, you don't need to have a whole set like this. This is great fun to use a whole set if you're doing a great big graphite drawing and you need to work your way through from pale through to really super strong darks. It can be great fun to work your way through a set like this, but you can easily get away with half or a third of the number of pencils that you see here. But there's two that are my absolute favourite, and HB is one of them. HB is a really good average sort of pencil for doing everyday drawing. I just love using that one. I just call that one, it's an everyday pencil. So one of the things with these really soft ones is they'll smudge really easily. So the HB doesn't smudge as easily, just a very gentle rub on that, as some of the harder ones. If you look at the 8B, if I do the same sort of little mark and I rub, you can see it smears really easily. And all you've really got to do is have your hand swiping across there on some of those soft ones, and you'll be smearing your drawing. So often what I do is I get a sheet of paper when I'm doing a big detailed drawing, and I put a sheet of paper on there, rest my hand on it, and then I work on there so that I know that my hand is not smearing this graphite all the way across. And the second pencil that I use a lot is 2B. 2B or not 2B, that is my favourite. That is my favourite art pencil. So great for drawing. It's a lot softer than the HB. It does smear a bit easier, but you can always use your eraser to wipe up the smears. It's a great one to use for all-round drawing. So they're my two favourites, 2B and HB are my two favourites. So that's your Ninja art tip for today. If anyone would like a little sheet, a reference sheet on this one, type in Gimme below in the post and I'll send you that sheet. Thanks for watching.